In today's video, we will change the front turn signal bulb for 2024 Nissan Versa. First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is a lever that needs to be lifted upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Push this lever upwards and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. This is behind the tail light, and this is the turn signal bulb that I was talking about right there, connected with a harness. All you have to do is just hold it and then turn it anti-clockwise. You will hear a clicking sound coming out once you turn it anti-clockwise. There you go. Now you will slightly take it outwards, just like that. Now in order to take out the bulb, all you have to do is just pull the plug outwards. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other, anyway is fine. You just install it back and push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. And there it's installed. Now we will go ahead and install it back where it came from. So this time it works the exact opposite way. Since it's behind the headlight, so it would be a little difficult to judge the spot where we took it out from. You just have to keep on trying, and once you have made sure it's completely in, only then you turn this plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is in there and it's not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.